What you see on your screen here is a web browser. I'm using Firefox from Mozilla. Some of the popular web browsers include Chrome from Google, Internet Explorer from Microsoft, and Safari from Apple. So the simplest definition of a web browser is a software application that can access, present, and traverse through resources from the web, right? And today, web browsers can not only display text-based web pages but also rich multimedia content, right? Audio, video, so on and so forth. Let me start off with typing in a set of numbers. So what I have done here is I have typed in 4 numbers separated by the dot character. Well, are you surprised? We've landed up at Google. Now, how did that happen? Well, every machine on the internet is identified by a unique address and represented by this set of 4 numbers. Now, tell me something. How many such numbers would you be able to remember? Can you really remember a series of 4 numbers that point to Google, another series of 4 numbers that points to YouTube, so on and so forth? It would be completely impossible to do so. Well, thankfully, we don't have to do that. All you need to do is know or remember that there's something called google.com. Type that in, hit enter, and well, you'll land up at Google once again. Now, how does that work? Well, the reason it works is that there is something known as a DNS or a domain name server which acts as a phone book. So as soon as you type in google.com, it goes, does a lookup and knows exactly where you need to be connected, right? So great. So there's no need for you to remember complex series of numbers. All you need to remember is something easy such as google.com. And what you type in, be it google.com or google.com/about us, or all that is known as a URL or a uniform resource locator. Alright, so now once you've typed in google.com and hit enter, what's happened? You have sent what is known as a request. You are also known as a client. The machine that acts as a server for Google receives your request, and since you are using the HTTP protocol, or as we learned earlier, you are using the web, the machine knows exactly what to do with your request and sends you back this web page as a response.